Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain Fifth Beatle title during the Bait the Insect event in Heartopia game. So guys, you will need this title if you want to achieve Insect King, Unseen Mountain Insect King achievement in Heartopia. You need to obtain all the titles during Bait the Insect event. And now I'm going to start the event, guys. I'm just going to do it alone and obtain the Fifth Beatle title. Basically, if we want to obtain this title, we need to be the first player in the event to play any 5 musical notes. So you need to have musical instrument. Okay, now the event has been started, guys, and I'm going to equip my note. But wait, let me catch this butterfly. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, let's just equip the instrument. Okay, and I'm going to play 5 musical notes like this. You need to be the first player. And if you play it alone, of course you can obtain this title easier. But if you play with a lot of players, you need to be very fast. Okay, and I'll pause the video, guys, because we can see the title after the event is over. Okay guys, and the event is over now, and as you can see, I've just obtained the Fifth Beatle title during the Beat the Insect event in Heartopia. Okay, and that's how we can obtain Fifth Beatle title during Beat the Insect event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!